So we're going to show you our brand new amazing natural 100% natural cleaning cloths and our amazing cleaning pads which are 90% natural plant material as well. These are 100% plant material, this is 90% plant material. I'm just going to give you a quick demonstration on this leather seat. As you can see, it's very, very dirty. You can spray some directly onto the cleaning pad if you wish and just gently wipe over the surface. And as you can see, it's bringing all the dirt and grime off onto the pad. Actually helps save and cut down on using cloths and things, because obviously all the dirt is being absorbed at once into the pad to save rubbing back over your leather again with another pad or with a cloth. And as you can see, all the dirt is in here. The good thing with these two particular products is they're antimicrobial, making it even safer for your leather interior or plastic trims in your vehicle. It literally is as simple and easy as that to clean. I'll do another demonstration just on the top here. Again, we'll use the opposite side, and as you can see, it's clean. And we just simply, we're hardly putting any pressure on. These are 90% natural plant material, so you know they are 100% safe for your leather interior. You can see the dirt there coming off. It's absolutely amazing, the dirt that it's bringing off. These are natural plant material. These are not plastic, like some of these cleaning pads can be plastic. This is not a thermoplastic at all. It has not got any microfibre materials in here whatsoever, which also damage leather. It is a completely natural product, and you can see how that's bringing dirt and grime off. Again, obviously you've got perforation leather here. Spray onto your pad and gently wipe over the surface. And just brighten and freshen and revive your leather interior. It's simple and as easy as that. And the dirt that it can bring out and lift off your seats is absolutely amazing. Look at the dirt that it's bringing out here. You can see where I've had my fingers held on the other side here, where it's been cleaning, and all the dirt around. It's just amazing what it can do and bring off. That nice sort of beautiful matte finish will be brought back to your beautiful leather interior, or sofa, jacket, handbag, or shoes. If you wanted to wipe over with the cloth, you can do. Just simply wipe over the surface and dry the leather. Easy as that. Natural 100% plant material, 90% plant material, with the added benefit of antimicrobial. Leather Repair Company, the recycling, environmentally friendly company.